Hey peeps, it's Jedd here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure and a privilege to join you. Today, we're going to look at a distance, speed, and time question, which always seem to pop up, so it's always useful to do some of these. Now, they've asked us, how long will it take to travel 432 kilometers at an average speed of 96 kilometers per hour? So, before we get into a distance, speed, and time question, it's always important to know this little useful triangle. And I want you to put it in alphabetical order. That's the way I always remember it. So I've got a D, and then an S, and then a T. DST, DST, always in alphabetical order. What's nice about that is if we are trying to solve the distance, we know we're going to multiply speed and time. Really nice, right? If we calculate the speed, we know we're going to divide distance by time, which is really nice because it shows it to us there. If we try and work out time, we know we're going to divide distance by speed, again shown to us by this little diagram. So it's very, very useful. Right, so the first thing I would suggest is just note what you've got. So they've said to you, travel 432 kilometers. For me, that's distance. So I'm going to say distance is 432 kilometers. I'm going to rewrite that so that it's neat. 432 kilometers, much better. Then we've got an average speed of 96 kilometers per hour. So that is speed is equal to 96 kilometers per hour. Now they've said to us how long. So in other words, they're asking us for time. So our time is our unknown. How do we solve time? Well, we do that by dividing distance by speed. So we're going to write t is equal to distance over speed. And that's going to give us 432 over 96, right? And the laziness in me is going to pull out a calculator and go 432 divided by 96 gives me 9 over 2. So it's going to be 9 over 2. What unit of measurement is that going to be in? It's going to be in time. So we're traveling in per hours, so we're going to call that hours. And another way to write that, 9 over 2, 2 goes into 9. How many times? 4 times, remainder 1. So that's going to be 4.5 hours, which would get you your full marks for this question. Very special thank you to our sponsors for making this epic tutorial video possible. Be sure to check out all of the other videos on our website. If you can't find the answer to your question, send us the question and we will respond with a personalized tutorial video just for you. Until the next time, stay epic.